Hay mga ka-travels, quick share lang. If balak nyo mag Star City, pwede na pala siyang i-book sa Agoda app. As in, hindi na kailangan pumila ng sobrang tagal or bumili on-site. Super dali lang. Today, turo ko sa inyo step by step how to book. First, open the Agoda app, go to activities, then search for Star City. After that, pili ka lang ng ticket, either Star Pass or yung bundle ng Star City plus Snow World. Then select your prepared date and kung ilang participants kayo. Free ang children below 34 inches. And if hindi kayo matuloy, don't worry, your tickets are valid for 90 days. So hindi siya masasayang. Operating hours nila, Tuesday to Friday, 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Saturday and Sunday naman, 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday close. Note ko na rin, pets are not allowed inside the park. Share ko lang din, if magbubook kayo, you can use my promo code CHEACtivity para makakuha kayo ng 5% discount. And pwede nyo siyang gamitin up to 5 times. To redeem, just go to deal section, then enter CHEACtivity, all capital letters, no spaces. Honestly, mas convenient siya kasi less hassle. More enjoy na agad sa rides and games. So ayun, ipupunta kayo, try nyo mag-book online para smooth na yung day nyo. Enjoy mga ka-travels, don't forget to follow us for more gala tips. Bye!